How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over AMC stock once again because this week in the market it's going to be pretty volatile and it's going to be a crazy week for AMC. My predictions are that AMC is going to have a huge skyrocket upwards, and then of course it will eventually die down and it will dump. But so how we're going to play this is we're going to be writing it both up and down. We're not really going to try to predict the movement of AMC too much because we don't know when it's going to spike and we don't know when it's going to dump. So we're going to play relatively safer on AMC, so we're not going to lose as much money. Just like our last video, I gave you the fastest possible way to play AMC options to get rich quick. Obviously, that's playing the lottery. You could make 1,000% return potentially, or you could lose your entire investment. I would not recommend that way. It's just an option for people who are looking to gamble. So this is going to be how I'm going to be playing AMC next week. So we can see, first of all, let's take a look at AMC and what it's doing. So we can see AMC having this huge shoot up in the morning on last Friday, hitting all-time highs of $35, up 33% on the day, and then throughout the course of the day, it did drop a lot. It pretty much pulled back all its gains earlier this morning. But the good news is there's a lot of people buying into the stock, so people are taking profits. They see AMC shoot up over 100% in the past week. They want to take profits, and then they sell. So we see this pretty big sell-off here. And the good news is that AMC is holding a pretty good support line here. It doesn't want to break the $25 mark, which is a good sign. So people are saying, hey, AMC is at a low level. I want to buy in. So they think AMC at $25 price point is a good buy. So we can see a nice consolidation here towards the end of the day on Friday. So next week, I am going to be playing some AMC options. I'm not going to be doing risky stuff. I'm not going to be buying, throwing in all my money into calls expiring next week. I'm not going to be buying shares either. I am going to be buying cash. I'm going to be opening cash secured puts, and I am going to do it for an expiration date somewhere between June 11th and 25. Maybe I'll do a combination of those three, but June 18th sounds good to me. So I will check out the options chain for AMC puts, cash secured puts specifically. So something that is a high probability but also relatively safe would be a $20 cash secured put, and you get $358 of premium for opening that. Basically, you make money as long as AMC stays above $16.42. That sounds pretty safe to me. And you can see the profit loss chart. AMC needs a huge pullback in order for you to lose money on this trade. But you do need $2,000 of collateral to open this cash secured put. But cash secured puts are my favorite strategy for playing volatile stocks. In AMC, we can check out the implied volatility is absolutely sky high at over 300%. And that just means that the premiums for these contracts are going to be a lot higher because everyone's buying into call options, put options, trying to gamble on AMC's unpredictable movement. And this is really good for option sellers, just like myself, to capitalize on these high premiums. So we're going to be writing the contracts rather than buying them. And then something safer you could do, $19 strike. You could do an $18 strike. $17 strike, and you'll still receive a few $100s in premium. You can go all the way down to a $15 strike and receive $135 of premium, and you will make money as long as AMC stays above $13.65, as you can see here. The further down the options chain you go, the higher probability you will win on the trade. So you can even go down to a $14 strike, and you will still receive $100 of premium, which is insane just because the implied volatility is at sky high levels. So if you are an option seller, this is a golden opportunity for you to capitalize on these inflated option premiums. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.